Okay, let's sort this shit out. I am unauthorized by choice. When I opened up about 10 years ago, I chose to remain unauthorized so I could do the things that Apple wasn't doing. Over 25 years, I have worked for a variety of authorized resellers. I've owned my own value-added reseller at one point, and Apple restricts what you can do, what you can repair. That choice has allowed me to help customers far more than I could have. Even 10 years ago, I was doing screen replacements when Apple wasn't at all, up till nowadays when I can do them at a significant discount and far more repairs than an Apple corporate store or authorized repair center would. It has allowed me to help customers bound by Apple corporate red tape. I remember a long while ago, an iPhone 8 had come in, brand new, purchased less than an hour before. Somehow they managed to screw up putting the SIM card in, and it was stuck inside. The Apple store they had just bought it from said, sorry, there's nothing they could do, which was true. I had that thing popped open, the SIM card removed within 5 minutes. Yeah, it voided his warranty, but to him it was a better choice than having to spend $800 for a replacement of a phone he had just bought an hour earlier. It's allowed me to help customers with much older machines than the Apple corporate stores would otherwise handle. It's allowed me to do rather interesting repairs that wouldn't exactly pass Apple's approval. In conclusion, it's basically allowed me to offer much better customer service, while at the same time, I do in fact work with my local Apple corporate stores to ensure that any warranty issues are dealt with by them. And being a third-party repair place, I do know the cost of Apple parts compared to Android parts and the labor associated with them. So I just might know what I'm talking about. Not always, though.